Alright, so we back, y'all. Plies and the baby boss friends. As you can tell, she's a huge Plies fan. I think he's probably, out of all the rappers today, he's probably bottom 5 dead or alive.
Listen,
but
you said what?
He's bottom 5 rappers right now.
Who?
Plies is horrible.
You better put some respect on Plies' name.
So Plies is good right now?
We're not talking about good right now, but
Alright,
Plies
so about his body of work. He's talking about right now.
Yeah, he's talking about his body of work.
He has declined.
It don't matter. You know, he has not declined. His social media will tell you otherwise. He has not declined. His music is different from what he used to rap about before, but you gonna put respect on my husband's name.
When you say
period.
Different, you mean garbage. And the baby is hot and on fire.
The baby is straight shit. Caca.
Yeah, that's why Plies called for the future. Anyways, let's get started.
Anyways, I am a huge Plies fan. I've been a Plies fan since I was in high school. When I was singing, middle school. When I was singing Busted Baby and I didn't even know what it means.
See, that's how I know. Like, I was a Plies fan before that. When he came out with Chopper Zone and Bid Long.
I've heard all those songs too. I'm just saying. I'm just giving a timeline.
Things have changed, and he did not change it with him. His music's horrible, bro.
His music is not horrible. I like Plies' music.
You don't like Plies' music.
I love Plies' music.
I don't believe that.
I love his personality.
If you're a real fan like you say you are, there's no way you like the crap he puts out now.
Can we just please play this video?
Go.
Look how dapper he be looking.
Right. That's what money look like. What made this nigga decide to get facial hair all of a sudden?
He didn't have facial hair before?
Nah, Plies used to be clean shaven.
You're right. Back in the day, it was all clean. I remember because he always had a 9 to 5 shadow.
It's 5 o'clock shadow, bro.
He is such a Florida nigga.
So this is good. This nigga ain't spitting bullshit.
The song itself is catchy. It's
you going by the beat and that's it. I can see what you listening to in the song. I can see what's catching you, but this shit garbage.
But look, we were listening to the baby, and you was giving the baby way more okay than you are giving Plies.
The baby's coming up soon, right?
This is so cute. Hey. Hey, is he wearing a Gucci? Like, they're literally the same size. They're like little. Like, they're adorable. Like, I don't know if I like the baby.
It's a letdown, boy. Goddamn.
Oh my God. What you want him to play? Here's my problem with people like him. You want someone from Plies' era who rapped about what he rapped about to rap about it now. He is rich. He cannot rap about the same thing that he was rapping about.
The content. I'm talking about the quality of this song. Quality of the song is not there.
But it's a club song.
Okay, if it's a club song, it's the shit then.
You know it's a club song. What's up with the Monopoly guy? Is that Floyd Mayweather?
Yup, Money Mayweather.
That's why it says TMT?
The money team.
What the hell, Plies? Really? Him?
Oh, that's Floyd Strip Club.
Floyd got a strip club?
Yeah, in Vegas, girl collection.
How does he make money? They can't even get naked.
Hey man, ballers come out and they blow cash.
That mean the girl's supposed to be fine as hell.
I heard they top notch A1.
Wow.
The best of the best, creme de la creme, bro.
I did not know that. I want to be a stripper.
When I talk, I'm a boy. Fuck around the shoe like my name Black, go get a rope. I had to run up on my blood like I would fly that nigga home. She's in the attic, go pick up the pound, my bitch is soldier.
So this is
shit on every song.
I'm about about to say, so this is better than Plies. The baby. The baby.
This shit way better when Plies was spitting, but.
Are you serious right now?
My problem with the baby, it's gonna be the same thing every time, bro. Same shit.
But why do you have a problem when artists do the same flow? That's the point. You don't want your artists to really change.
I need versatility.
But why?
And I need content. He's not even riding the beat. He's rapping.
He's not riding the beat. He's really not riding that beat.
Boss, these other bitches talk. They know my wrist costs $100,000. I ain't joking. You can call yourself a boss if you ain't went and bought a phone, nigga. All of my friends, I got boss friends. We ain't really tripping about the law.
That's one of the girls at the strip club. She wasn't that cute. And neither one of them are cute. Yeah,
He's getting wasted my time.
It's not that bad. You was trying so hard to dislike the song.
I don't like it, bro.
I hear you, but I feel like you giving it. You're trying your hardest to hate it.
I'm not trying to hate it. I ain't feeling it. The beat live, bro.
He making peanut butter and bagels. You love peanut butter and bagels. You love peanut butter and bagels. He loves peanut butter and pumpkin spice bagel. Ew.
I do.
Ew.
My brother here a boss too. My bitch she a boss too.
Ha!
Whole gang they a boss too. Real boss move with other bosses and how bosses move. All of my friends I got boss friends. We ain't really tripping about the losses. We don't deal with y'all some ball brand. We can buy the hitters.
Don't you like that suit? He looks so dapper in that suit.
Yeah.
That suit is really nice.
We don't deal with y'all some ball brand. We can buy the hitters if we
I
want
love
real
it.
talk, man.
Ah.
DJ snapped on that shit.
How do the young kids do it? How they do it? Is it like
what the hell you talking about?
You know how they be like something like that?
Yeah, embarrassing. So.
We're done with this. Listen, that video was very entertaining. So it wasn't. I mean, there wasn't much put into it.
The beat was fire. The beat
was really good. 1 to 10 when it comes to musicality. I give it a solid 6. I have to be honest with myself. The song itself was a subpar song. It was a club song, so hey, better than anything. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I think, in the club, you don't really...
I enjoyed the song.
In the club, as long as the bitches like it.
The video itself, I thought it was very boring video, but I love Plies dancing, so it entertained the fuck out of me. What you get, 1 to 10?
The video, if we're going by, like, the visuals are pretty good. You had the money team, you had Girl Collection, you had the midget.
1 to 10?
You were like an 8.
For what, both the music and the...
Nah, just the visual. The song was caca. I give it -7.
-7? That's not even on the scoreboard. You're reaching.
The baby, you disappointed the shit out of me with that bullshit you spit on here.
Oh my goodness. Well.
But guess what? My opinion doesn't matter. So keep your trash music. Keep making your money.
Period. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And leave y'all comment if y'all like this video. I mean, I personally love the video. But y'all leave y'all comments.
I want my 2 minutes and 47 seconds back.
Bye.